Hi everyone! In today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to crochet the cutest raspberry preemie hat. I'll be using mohair yarn. My yarn is fine, so I'll use 2 threads. I'll crochet the hat with 5mm hook. Let's get started. The baby hat. I'll begin the hat by making magic ring, chain 2, do not count this chain 2 as double crochet, yarn over, and I'll work 12 double crochets in the ring. Now I can close to create the first round, then chain 2, and I'll work 2 double crochets in every stitch. Now I will join to have the first round, chain 1, yarn over, and I'll make 1 double crochet into the very first stitch. Chain 1, then 1 single crochet in the same stitch, yarn over, skip 1 stitch and make 1 double crochet in the next, chain 1, and I'll work single crochet in the same stitch, yarn over, skip 1 stitch and make double crochet in the next, chain 1 and make single crochet, yarn over, skip a stitch and work double crochet, chain 1 and single crochet. I repeat this 2 stitches until the end of round 3. One double crochet, chain 1 and a single crochet, then I will join with slip stitch to the first stitch, and my round 3 is completed. Round 4, chain 2, yarn over, over the first double crochet from round 3, I will make 3 double crochets. This is the first, yarn over. This is the second double crochet, yarn over, and this is the third double crochet. Then I work one single crochet into the single crochet from the previous round. This is the next stitch. Yarn over, and I'll repeat 3 double crochets over the next double crochet from the previous round, 2 and 3, then single crochet in the next stitch. This is the single crochet from previous round. Yarn over and repeat 3 double crochets over the next double crochet. Then single crochet, and again I'll be making 3 double crochets over the next double crochet, then a single crochet. If you want to crochet a bigger hat, you need to know that the stitches are multiple of 2. This texture is not so stretchy. It is better to make 2 or 4 more stitches to have a little bit bigger hat. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 raspberries. Now I can join with slip stitch to the first double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, and I will make single crochet in the first stitch. This is the first double crochet from the first 3 double crochets from previous round, and make double crochet in the next first double crochet from the 3 double crochets from previous round. Chain 1, then 1 single crochet in the same stitch, yarn over, and 1 double crochet in the next double crochet, that is the first double crochet from the 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 1 single crochet. So repeat this step for every first double crochet, double crochet, chain 1, then single crochet, double crochet, chain 1, then single crochet, double crochet, chain 1 and single crochet. Now join to this loop that is formed by the beginning chain 4. Chain 2, yarn over, and over these beginning chains from the previous round I'll make 3 new double crochets. 1, 2 and 3, then single crochet into the first single crochet, yarn over, 3 double crochets over the next double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, then single crochet, Now I'll join to the first stitch. This is the first double crochet and I'll close the round. I continue to crochet by repeating the last 2 rounds. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 raspberries, so I have 10 rounds for this texture. I'll finish the head by making 1 round with single crochet. Chain 1. So the single crochets I'll work in every stitch from the 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. I'll skip this single crochet and 1, 2, 3 single crochets. Skip the next single crochet and make 3 new single crochets. When I finish this round, I'll have 36 stitches. The hat is not stretchy, so this size is for preemie. For newborn size, I recommend crochet hook 6 mm, or you can increase the number of stitches. This is a fantastic hat, wonderful gift for newborn baby girl. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to stay updated. I'll publish video in English every week. Have a beautiful day and see you next time!